Welcome back. After health experts predicted that children could be the worst affected in the third COVID wave, young minds have started a social media campaign. They're demanding vaccination for those below 18 years of age. This initiative has picked up pace on social media and also garnered support from all walks of life. Here's a special report.
In the midst of a deadly second wave across the country and a looming threat of a third wave that experts warn could hit the children most, chorus is growing across the country for vaccinating those below 18 years of age. For this, a bunch of young minds have started a social media campaign. What started as a small initiative has now gone viral, with parents and professionals from across the country joining it to make it a top trend.
I was sitting at home watching the news with my mother, and I saw these vaccination drives for people above the age of 18. And I wondered why the government isn't starting a parallel vaccination drive for children between 12 to 17 ages as well. My mom told me it wasn't determined when we could actually get vaccinated. It could be in a year, it could be in a half a year. So I decided to actually make an effort. I reached out to interested friends, and through our aunts and uncles and our parents, we basically spread the word. And the amount of feedback and support we received was much more than what we had actually expected.
The campaign has gathered steam, with more than 20 WhatsApp groups being run by students. A tweetathon with hashtags like Save Kids from Third Wave, hashtag Vaccine for Indian Kids and hashtag Pfizer for Indian Kids has been trending on Twitter.
We as kids need to get vaccinated now. I see the government making having all these vaccination drives for adults above the age of 18. So this movement was basically created to request the government to start a vaccination drive for kids as well. Now with this possibility of a third COVID wave coming, as well as this current strain of COVID affecting children more adversely than what did in the previous waves, why should we wait for a time where a COVID strain affects children even more than what it does now? Why shouldn't we push for action as soon as possible?
The tweetathon is to urge the government to explore options of vaccinating the kids with Pfizer jabs that have already been declared safe for children below 18 in the United States.
We chose Pfizer to streamline the movement because specificity is better than generalization. Our main aim is just to make sure that 12 to 17-year-olds are included in the list of those being vaccinated, and we don't wait for the third wave to affect us.
With more than 41% of country's population below the age of 18, these children have hit a raw nerve. They are urging the government to save young lives before it's too late. With Mosme Singh in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
And for more details,